Louisiana.
The storm is a life-threatening storm.
The big one hits the Big Easy. 16 years to the day since Katrina arrived in New Orleans, killing more than 1,800 people and causing billions of dollars worth of damage. Now a storm that hit land with even more power. To give an idea, that is a picnic table between those poles, the water just pouring over the top. Up in the skies, this flight taking us into the eye of the storm. It is calm up there, but what a difference on the ground. Hurricane Ida's path is taking her around the western side of New Orleans, which means this city is being hit by the winds from the eastern side of the storm, and that is not a place you want to be in the midst of a Category 4 hurricane, because those eastern winds tend to be stronger, they tend to be more powerful and cause much more devastation, and the risks here are huge. Everything from debris flying through the air to fences coming loose and hitting people to downed power lines. And that's before we even get onto the subject of the water, the flooding from the rain and those storm surges. Which is what we saw with Hurricane Katrina, where 80% of this city ended up submerged. New Orleans told to evacuate in case this happened again. In central areas, it was voluntary.
Governor Edwards, an old friend, has characterized it as one of the strongest hurricanes, the strongest in Louisiana history since 1850. And its devastation is likely to be immense. We shouldn't kid ourselves.
In lower lying areas, it was mandatory, and still some stayed.
I would say half the neighborhood is staying and the other half is evacuated. So it's more just to kind of be here to help.
As the storm heads north, it'll be hours before the extent of the devastation becomes clear. Most are hunkering down, but some refuse. The hurricanes may cause